Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
FM 100 Icrt, this is Practical Hakka.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And let's continue to ask more questions. Who, what, where, when, why, how. 你知道英文会这样子啊？好，谁啊？去哪里啦？什么事啊？什么时间啦？对，都是问题哈。我们问题好多哦。好，今天来教大家 where 好了，去哪里 ？Okay.Let's teach you how to say, where are you going? 你要去哪里？
我去哪里？
我去哪里？这其实以前教过了啊。去哪里 that means 去哪里？
那妈妈就会告诉你，我要去买菜。
哦，也对啦，但是这年轻人都会说，我要出去玩，我要去唱歌了。
我了解。
好 ，So again, to say where are you going is 我去哪里 ？All right.那如果套用你刚刚讲那个，我要去买菜 Alice, the first thing she thinks about is, I'm gonna go get some groceries. 我要去买菜。
我要去买菜。
我要去买菜。我要去买菜。
对，
okay, 买菜。
海陆腔，我要去卖菜。
你要卖了。
我不能卖呀。
不是你卖了，
卖菜
不是卖你啦，但是感觉你刚刚买完菜要去卖了，卖那个菜。
那个音哦，很好，
嘿，Yeah。
然后四线的买菜啊，买菜，
买菜。
那海陆腔是卖菜，
卖菜。All right, that's a different dialect of buying groceries, but. To be honest, in Mandarin, one sounds like buying and the other one sounds like selling. 好有趣哦。Around this time of the year, during Chinese New Year, a lot of people here in Taiwan, they would go to the market and buy all these goods associated with Chinese New Year and stock up. It could be meat, veggies, candies, nuts. You'll see this all over town. So let's teach people how to say, 我要去市场办年货。
我要去市场办年货。
我要去市场办年货. That means stocking up for Chinese New Year. All right, 办年货 and 市场.
市场
that's the market. Let's review all these phrases. Where are you going?
我去哪里？
我去哪里 And then I'm going to buy some groceries. 我要去买菜。
我要去买菜。
我要去买菜 And if you're going to the market for Chinese New Year, how do you say that? 我要去市场办年货。
我要去市场办年货。
我要去市场办年货。So there you have it about where are you going and how to answer it in Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.